What's up? What you doing? Oh, who's a pretty bird, eh? Who's pretty bird? Who's pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? Yeah, you are a pretty bird. You're a pretty bird, eh? You come back down here. Because I can't focus if you're too close to me, okay? Here we go. What have you got to say? Have you got anything to say? You going to sing a song? You going to sing a song, Lemony? What are you going to sing? You going to sing your favourite song? Come on, sing your song. Let us sing. Sing, sing. What are we going to sing, okay? Do you want to get on my other foot? Get on my other foot. There we go, get on Daddy's foot. Step up. Get on that foot there. Get on that leg. You don't want to? Okay. That's fine. I'll put my leg out. There we go. You go down Daddy's leg. Oh, it's fun, isn't it? Oh, what's happened now? Leg's gone down. Oh, what are we going to do? Oh, Lemony, what are we going to do? Oh, what are we going to do? What's up? You going to come back up my leg? Up you come. Come up. Oh. You going to come back up my leg? No, don't go flying. Here we come. Up, 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 up. Hello. What's up? Hello. What's up? You good? Oh, you're getting too close to the lens. Go back down again, okay? Okay, say goodbye to everybody for now, okay? Say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Till next time. Oh, you can get down that leg now. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you lose your balance. Oh, look at Daddy. Look at. Oops. No, don't go flying around. Look at.